This conference will now be recorded.
I believe most of us are here now in the session. Good morning, everybody. Oh, congratulations, Nishta. Nishta got her advanced diploma today. Very good. Congratulations, Nishta. Great going, girl. So today we are going to discuss a very, very important concept of this question. ये question पूछा ही क्यों जाता है आपसे इंटरव्यू में? सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन कस्टमरी आप किसी भी इंटरव्यू में जाओ तो आपसे पूछा जाता है टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. नाउ वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक बिहाइंड दिस क्वेश्चन. क्यों पूछा जा रहा है? So first we'll begin with a brief introduction as to what should be done, what should not be done. And then those who are present in the session today, I would want you to introduce yourself to the entire batch, keeping all the do's and don'ts in mind. So let us make it a little interactive session, but I would want you, because the number is more, I would want you all to use the chat box instead of your mics, because otherwise it's going to be a lot of chaotic, kind of a chaotic situation. So, okay. जब हम बात करते हैं टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, वी हैव अ फन वीडियो आल्सो एट द एंड बाय आवर इन हाउस प्रोडक्शन टीम. तो हम वो बाद में लास्ट में देखेंगे वीडियो. बट जब हम बात करते हैं टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, एक इंटरव्यूअर आपसे पूछ रहा है तो वो क्या जानना चाहता है. छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस प्ले करती है, राइट? जैसे इंटरव्यू आपसे ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए पूछना चाह रहा है बिकॉज वो जानना चाहता है कि आपका खुद के बारे में ओपिनियन क्या है. सी अंडरस्टैंड दिस, इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको इसके लिए बुलाया गया है क्योंकि उसने ऑलरेडी आपका सीवी देखा हुआ है. उसको पता है कि यू आर केपेबल, क्वालिफाइड फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर जॉब. बट योर आंसर अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन इंडिकेट्स वेदर आपको भी ऐसा लगता है क्या कि आप क्वालिफाइड हो कि नहीं हो. मेजॉरिटी जो कैंडिडेट्स है वो इस क्वेश्चन में कहीं ना कहीं इतनी गड़बड़ा जाते हैं क्योंकि एक तो वो खुद को डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर पाते, सो दे डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर. सो अगर आपको ही नहीं पता कि आपकी लाइफ का पर्पस क्या है और आप कौन हो, तो आप कंपनी को कैसे ऐड ऑन करोगे. दूसरा, योर कॉन्फिडेंस विद दैट पर्टिकुलर आंसर रिफ्लेक्ट्स द कॉन्फिडेंस यू हैव इन योरसेल्फ. अगर तुम खुद के ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो तो फिर इंटरव्यूअर कैसे कॉन्फिडेंट रहेगा, कंपनी कैसे कॉन्फिडेंट रहेगी. So when we are asked this question, there are few do's and don'ts we need to remember. The first thing, the start. It is very important to start your answer well. जब आप स्टार्ट अच्छी करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली आपका इंटरव्यूअर आपको सुनना चाहेगा, राइट? बट स्टार्ट बहुत ही chaotic होगी तो इंटरव्यूअर आपकी बात सुनना नहीं चाहेगा. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू चूज अ राइट स्टार्ट. अगर आपकी कोई प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन है, आपका कोई टेक्निकल स्किल्स है, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू स्टार्ट विद दैट. काफी जने ऐसे भी स्टार्ट करते हैं कि मेरा सीवी आपके पास है, सो यू नो ऑल अबाउट माय क्वालिफिकेशंस, बट right, but then I will tell you something which is not there in my CV. That can also be a good start. But if you want to sum up a very precise answer, you can also start off with that I am an ACCA, I have this much experience. So a start should be attention wala start, attention grab karne wala start. Another important thing is highlights. It is always important to highlight the important things, right? So आपकी क्या achievements है, आपने क्या किया है, आपका टेक्निकल स्किल्स, आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपने कुछ स्पेशल अचीवमेंट्स किए हैं, तो योर आंसर शुड कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑल दीज हाइलाइट्स. हाईलाइट द एक्सपीरियंस, अकम्पलिशमेंट्स, द टेक्निकल नॉलेज. ये सारी चीजें हाईलाइट करना बहुत जरूरी है. प्रिसाइज में पूरी कहानी नहीं लिखनी है. आई नो देयर आर सो मेनी सुपर अचीवर्स हियर इन द बैच राइट नाउ. काफी कुछ अचीव कर रखा है, पर इसका मतलब नहीं है कि आप अपनी सारी छोटी छोटी अचीवमेंट हाईलाइट करते जाओ. By highlighting, I mean the key achievements. So अगर आपका रैंक आ रखा है, अगर आपने सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ अचीवमेंट अचीव कर रखी है, आप ACCA क्वालिफाइड हो, आपने ACCA का डिप्लोमा या एडवांस डिप्लोमा ले रखा है, आपका कुछ जॉब एक्सपीरियंस है, so these are the things which you can highlight in your answer. क्योंकि की ऑफ आंसर, एवरी आंसर, जब भी इंटरव्यू में कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, आपका आंसर 2 मिनट से लंबा नहीं होना चाहिए. हर कंपनी को काम करने वाले लोग पसंद है, ज्यादा बातें करने वाले लोग पसंद नहीं है, राइट? कंक्लूजन, हाउ डू यू कंक्लूड एनी आंसर. जब भी आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, हम तो अपने आंसरिंग टेक्निक में भी ये चीज यूज करते हैं. जब आपको पूछा जा रहा है टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, योर कंक्लूजन शुड ऑलवेज बी कि अच्छा आई एम दिस, मैंने ये कर रखा है, हेंस आई एम फ्रूटफुल टू योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. रैंडम आंसर्स नहीं. आप अगर देखो तो बहुत ही जो सक्सेसफुल कैंडिडेट्स हैं इन द इंटरव्यूज, दे वुड हाईलाइट मे बी दोज हॉबीज व्हिच आर रिलेटेड टू द जॉब. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, मैं एक इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रही हूँ जहां पे मुझे अकाउंटेंट का काम करना है. अकाउंटेंट का काम करना मतलब मुझे डेस्क पे बैठ के काम करना है ना, मेरा ट्रैवल का कोई स्कोप नहीं है। इन दैट इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन में आप अपने आप के लिए बोल रहे हो आई लव ट्रैवलिंग, दैट्स अ बिग नो। आपने ये बोल दिया, इसका मतलब मे बी आप के आगे सारे क्वेश्चंस उसके ऊपर बेस्ड होंगे। अच्छा, मेजोरिटी इंटरव्यूअर्स की ट्रिक होती है, देखो काफी कंपनीज तो बहुत ही ज्यादा सिस्टमेटाइज होती है, उसमें पूरा इंटरव्यू के लिए क्या क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो सब लिखे हुए, ठीक है। मेजोरिटी इंटरव्यूअर्स क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछते हैं टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, फिर जो आपने इसका आंसर दिया उस आंसर से ही क्वेश्चन निकलेगा। तो आप ऐसा आंसर दो जो आपकी एक्सपर्टाइज हो जाए, ताकि आप उस क्वेश्चन को आंसर कर पाओ। जैसे मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, एक इंटरव्यू में हमारे यहाँ पे जो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट हुआ था, उसमें एक कैंडिडेट ने बोल दिया आई लव राइटिंग, आई एम वर्किंग ऑन अ नॉवल, ठीक है। अब उसने ये बोल दिया और इंटरव्यूअर का एक्सपर्टाइज था राइटिंग। अब इंटरव्यूअर पीछे पड़ गया, अच्छा यू वर्किंग ऑन अ नॉवल, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नॉवल इट इज, वेयर आर यू प्लानिंग टू पुट इट फॉर प्रिंटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। तो बाद में ये रियलाइज हुआ कि उसने खाली इंटरव्यू को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए बात की थी, अदरवाइज उसको कोई टेक्निकल नॉलेज नहीं उस फील्ड की। सो नेवर गो इनटू दैट बाउंड्री वॉल, इनटू दैट एरिया जो आपकी एक्सपर्टाइज फील्ड नहीं है इन दिस क्वेश्चन। जस्ट स्पीक द ट्रूथ, ठीक है, एंड बी कंसाइज। जस्ट अगर आप अपनी हॉबीज भी बता रहे हो, आप बोलते हो आई लव ट्रैवलिंग, तो अगला क्वेश्चन ये आएगा, अच्छा यू लव ट्रैवलिंग, कहाँ कहाँ ट्रैवल किया? कहीं नहीं, उदयपुर में फतेह सागर ट्रैवल किया है, दूध तलाई गए हैं, नीमच माता देखा है, दैट्स नॉट अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग, राइट? सो आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उसी के ऊपर बेस्ड होगा। सो यू नीड टू गाइड द इंटरव्यूअर to give you put up the question which can highlight your capabilities। उल्टा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं दिखना चाहिए कि आपने सिर्फ शो ऑफ करने के लिए वो चीज बोल दी, right? Plus the conclusion should always be that I can add on to your job because I'm that kind of a person, you know। अगर मैंने अकाउंटेंट की जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया है, सो मी सेइंग दैट यू नो आई एम परफेक्टली ओके विद द सेडेंटरी जॉब जहाँ पे पूरा दिन बैठना है, and I'm okay with the monotonous job because I know how to keep the monotonous job also, you know, completely interesting। तो वहां पर आप एड ऑन हो सकते हो। अगर आप ऑडिटर की पोजीशन के लिए जा रहे हो, तब आप बोल रहे हो कि आई लव ट्रैवलिंग, देन द पर्सन नोस कि ठीक है, इसको इधर उधर भेजेंगे ऑडिट के लिए तो उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, राइट? सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब हम ऐसा कुछ यू नो इंटरव्यू फेस कर रहे हैं, तो क्या प्रोफाइल है, क्या कंपनी है, उसकी आपसे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, उसको आपको पहले स्टडी करके जाना है। यू कैन नॉट जस्ट गेट अप एंड गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, राइट? अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द प्रोफाइल, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू, और उस हिसाब से अपने इस आंसर को आप बेस करोगे। नाउ द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज कीप योर आंसर वर्क रिलेटेड। तो यहाँ पे काफी सारे जने काफी सारे यूट्यूब चैनल्स देखकर बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग आंसर्स अपने इंटरव्यू में एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, बट यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, वी वुड बी हेडिंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू on the basis of our position, right? On the basis of our maybe the professional qualification। और अगर अपनी प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन के हिसाब से आप जा रहे हो, तो उस सिचुएशन में आपको ये समझना है कि एज अ प्रोफेशनल आपको वहां पे कोई एंटरटेनिंग जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, या आपको कुछ ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग आंसर्स देने के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स नहीं मिल रहे, राइट? सो यहाँ पर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट मी गिविंग एन आंसर लाइक you know I like pani puri is not going to help the company, okay? Maybe YouTube channels ke liye it works well, but it is not going to work well for our job placement। they need kind of mature serious candidates। if you're mature enough, apply for the job and give some sensible answers, some answers which are related to the work। so agar मैं एक पर्टिकुलर वर्क प्रोफाइल में जा रही हूँ जहां पे बहुत सारे एनालिसिस लिखने हैं, तो me giving the answer that I love writing is good enough। Me giving the answer that I love traveling for an audit job is good enough, right? So base your answers related on the work profile, okay? Another important thing when we come on to the interview is be concise, speak for only 2 minutes, not more than that, because as mentioned here, Basanti looks good in Sholay only। interviews में कोई नहीं चाहेगा कि हम किसी बसंती से डील करें, है ना? so आपको इंटरव्यू कर बोलने का मौका देना है, ऐसा नहीं कि आप ही बोलते जाओ। so just make sure that you are concise enough with the answer। आपका जो आंसर होना चाहिए वो मैक्स टू मैक्स 2 मिनट का होना चाहिए, 2 मिनट से ज्यादा का नहीं होना चाहिए। that's something which is very very important। always speak for 2 minutes for every question। ये सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए नहीं है, हर क्वेश्चन के लिए 2 मिनट से ज्यादा हम अपना आंसर बेस नहीं करेंगे, अदरवाइज द इंटरव्यू विल गेट इरिटेटेड। so just make sure that you do not irritate the interviewer, right? Okay, and सबसे important चीज, why this question is asked. Now there was a question put up by one of the student कि मैम ये पूछते ही क्यों है question, what's the sense of asking this particular question? So very simple answer, ये question इसलिए पूछा जाता है क्योंकि हम ये देखना चाहते हैं कि आपका खुद के बारे में क्या impression है. So a student who gives this answer happily that I have done my ACCA and I'm pursuing this qualification right now, I'm doing this, whatever, like the glitter in your eyes says it all. और आप बड़े ही लो हो, अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट हो अबाउट वट एवर यू हैव डन, तो उस केस में इंटरव्यू को पता चल जाता है. जैसे मैंने कहा, अगर आप खुद ही खुद के ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं रख सकते, हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट द कंपनी टू पुट सच अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन योर शोल्डर, जब आपको ही नहीं पता है कि whether you're confident about yourself or you can handle it or not. बड़े ट्रिक क्वेश्चंस होते हैं इसमें, that do you think you can handle this position or do you think you need some training before you handle this position, और आपने आंसर दे दिया yeah I need some training before I handle this position, gone, कभी नहीं मिलेगी वो पोजीशन. So you have to be not overconfident but at least confident about yourself. You have to be positive about yourself. आपका खुद के बारे में थॉट प्रोसेस बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. तो जितने जने अपने क्लास में, हमको क्लास में सेशन में बोलते हैं नहीं मैम हमसे नहीं होगा, हम तो एवरेज स्टूडेंट है, तो क्लास तक लिमिटेड रखो ऐसे आंसर्स को. बट मेन इंटरव्यू में जाके अगर आप ऐसे कहोगे नहीं आई डोंट थिंक सो इतनी बड़ी पोजीशन हम हैंडल कर पाएंगे, आप हमको जूनियर पोजीशन से स्टार्ट करो, सो इन दैट केस यू आर नॉट गोना गेट एनी जॉब. कभी कभी हम वंडर करते हैं कि एक कैंडिडेट को एक इंटरव्यू, 2 इंटरव्यू, 10 इंटरव्यू के लिए भेजा जाता है, बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट एबल टू क्रैक द जॉब्स डिस्पाइट ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट दे हैव गुड टेक्निकल स्किल्स, दे हैव गुड बैकग्राउंड. जब एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड की बात करते हैं तो शायद उन्होंने सब ट्रेनिंग्स भी कर रखी होंगी, एक्सेल की भी, पीपीटी की भी, टैली की भी, और फिर इंटरव्यू में जाके कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ा जाते हैं. एंड द ओनली रीजन बिहाइंड दिस इज कि कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने आप को लेकर यू आर नॉट दैट कॉन्फिडेंट. So the company also becomes little reluctant hiring such candidates. So your expressions during this particular tenure plays a very important role. जब आप आपका जो expression होता है इस answer को देते समय, is gonna be a crucial role player, right? Okay, so there's just a fun video we wanted to show you, which our little in-house actor has made for you. I hope you are able to hear the voice. Is this audible?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me check how I can make this audible once again. Okay, just a second. We'll do something about the volume now. Okay, let's give it a try. Something about yourself. मैंने इस कंपनी में काम किया था, लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा दूसरी कंपनी को मौका दूं, तो मैं आपकी कंपनी क्या है, आप मुझे हायर कर लो. There's some voice issue. Okay, done. We'll just try to put this video somewhere so that you can hear it by the time. Okay, no problem. हम लोग इसको थोड़ा कहीं upload करते हैं और try करते हैं कि we can play it again. By the time, we'll just start off with a self-introduction session. We'll play this fun video at the end of the entire session, maybe. Okay, I can see your messages that you're not able to hear it properly. No problem. Okay, let's do one thing. So we have some students, many students in the session today. So we just, although many of them have bunked the session, but okay, we'll just start off with a small induction session. Sirf एक minute, more than sufficient, है ना? So I just want you to put on your camera if possible. I'll call out your name. All you need to do is just introduce yourself. See, थोड़े key fundas, बहुत लंबा introduction है ना? And this is like a process of introducing yourself to the batch. If you're not comfortable putting on your camera, no problem. Okay, no, not a problem, right? Can we just give it a try? Akshay, I'll go in alphabetical order. Akshay Dangi, can you just put on your mic and introduce yourself to everybody?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
Akshay. How are
morning.
you?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Akshay Dangi, and I am play MMA mixed martial art, and I am national player.
Oh, great,
I
Akshay. Yeah. Akshay, you can conclude it then. Okay. So, great introduction, and you just mentioned the highlights of everything, which is very good. Just make sure that you conclude it, right? So, maybe, hi, I'm Akshay Dangi. I'm a national level player I'm national level martial art champion, and I'm here for the session, and I am maybe enjoying the session. Whatever, you can just conclude it well, right? Okay, that's great, Akshay. Very good for the initiative. Avni, can we have your brief introduction? If anybody is comfortable putting on the camera, this way you'll get to know your batchmates also. But if you're not, then okay. Avni, can we have your brief introduction? I'm just going in alphabetical order. Avni, are you able to? You have to unmute your mic first. Avni, can you hear me? Okay, I can see your message. Okay, no problem, Avni. Ayushi, can you put on your mic? Avni is in a library and she cannot, I think, unmute her mic. Gosh, she's here. Ayushi, can you unmute and just introduce? Quick, let's make it quick because there are many people. Last tak number aate the bahut time lag jayega. Ayushi, Bharat, be ready after that. Bharat, can you unmute your mic? आयुषी कर रही है अनम्यूट थोड़ी देर में उनका भी कुछ इशू भरत क्विक गाइस लेट्स मेक इट क्विक यू डोंट हैव टू सो देखो आप अभी तो इंटरव्यू में हो भी नहीं इट्स जस्ट दैट योर बैचमेट्स यू नो पीएफसीएंस ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि कोई यू नो इंटरव्यूअर है जो आपको एनालाइज कर रहा है क्रिटिकली सुन रहा है आपकी बातें ओके सो यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट हियर अगर यहाँ पे कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होगे तो इंटरव्यूज में क्या करोगे दैट्स ओके नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम भरत अनम्यूट योर माइक Bharat, brief introduction. Yes, very good. Bolo, we are not able to hear you. Bharat, we are not able to hear you. I can see you have unmuted your mic, but pata nahi kuch problem hai. We are not able to hear you, Bharat. Can you come again? या तो कुछ वो mic fit करो. If your laptop's mic is not. Let's make it quick, guys. Bhumi. Quick, guys, everybody.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm Bhumi Shah. I'm 16 years old. I'm in 11th grade. I like to create positive atmosphere around me, and I learn Excel currently. And I was initially confused, like whether I should follow my passion and go for a designing course, or whether I should do a professional course. And doing interior designing's beginner course made me clear about it, that I don't want to follow my make my passion a career, and I want to pursue some professional course. Then I gain knowledge about ACCA, and I actually got inspired from Tashvita Gupta, who is the youngest ACCA affiliate in India. And I started to start my ACCA from now itself and utilize my time. And my only goal is to be successful and independent in life. Thank you.
Very good, Bhumi. Amazing. Very good effort. Amazing introduction, and you've given a brief and concluded it all. Very good, amazing. Burhan, do you want to give it a try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Burhanuddin Peppermint, and I belong to Rajasthan. I have done my study in Partapur only, where Baswara district, in Tayyabia school. It's a religious school, so you won't be hearing the name. Now I am doing my qualification, pursuing my qualification of ACCA from PFC Education. Udaipur, and it is a great one. I am not having so much of doubts. My hobbies are actually I actually write diary, and I play a lot of sports. Actually, I'm a trustworthy person, and I'm peaceful at my I'm peaceful at my home, and I'm doing a great work. Thank you.
Great, Burhan. Very good, very good. I have heard about Taya Baya. I have also been there for this session to your school for the ACC awareness session. So great, amazing, and very good introduction. Okay. Next we have Fatima. Fatima, can we give it a try? Fatima?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Fatima Tinwala. I'm a BCom graduate and currently doing ACCA from PFC Education. I'm a skill level student and recently cleared one paper in September in which I scored 95% and achieved a 5th world rank. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Great, Fatima, and we all are super proud of you. 95% in ACC exam is a very amazing score. Great going, and we hope that you achieve more in the forthcoming exams. Gauri. So I think that's Suman, right? Gauri, Suman, can you go ahead with your introduction? Gauri, you need to unmute your mic. Kekasha, I think Suman had some issue. Kekasha, can we have your introduction, please?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kekasha Banu, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. And I have spent my childhood in Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th last year with science stream, and right now pursuing an ACCA course from PFC Education. My hobbies are reading shairis and listening songs, especially 90s Bollywood songs. And my areas of interest are music, psychology, and reading interesting facts related to medical things. And I I believe in and I also believe in targeting short-term goals, because I believe that in long term an individual can easily be distracted to achieve the success. So this was a small introduction about myself. Thank you.
Very good, Kekasha. Amazing. I am exploring new things about all of you. So I had no idea that Karnataka was like a place which is related to you. That's great. Kashish. Kashish is next. Kashish, can we have your brief introduction, please? Kashish, unmute your mic. Kushi Kotari, be ready for the next introduction. Kashish, are you there? Can you hear me? Okay, I think we just need to quickly sum this. Kushi, can we have a brief introduction from your side? Kushi Kothari. And Komal, be ready after that. Kashish, Kushi Kothari, can you unmute your mic, please? Kushi, Komal, Kashish, whoever can hear me. Can we make it quick, please? Kushi, Komal, see, sleepy heads, sleeping early morning. Kushi, Komal, Kashish. Okay, Mehak, can you hear me? Mehak, चलें आप कर ले अपना introduction दे दे, please.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mehak Punjabi, and I study 11th Commerce. And my hobbies are dancing, singing, and mostly I love traveling a lot. And that's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Great, Mehak, and hats off to everybody who's taking that initiative. You don't need to get scared. This is just your badge, just the PFCNs. And इधर तो हमको introduction देना बनता है, नहीं तो फिर बाकी आगे जब इंटरव्यू वगैरह में जाएंगे तो कैसे करेंगे. वेरी गुड महक, अमेजिंग. मीना, can we have a brief introduction?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, friends. I'm Meena Sudhar. I have completed my graduation from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Currently, I'm pursuing ACCA. I have completed my 3 papers, one of them given in December, and result is coming soon. Thank you, ma'am.
Great going, Meena, and we are hopeful that you will score really well in your exams. She's one of the dark horses of the class. Dark horses means that, you know, we were not expecting this speed from Meena and she outperformed. So very good. We are proud of you, Meena. Moez, can we have a brief introduction from your side?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Moiz, and I am an BCom second year student along with ACCA. In last session, September session, I have achieved All India rank second and global rank 10th in performance management exam. I'm also teaching since August 2020, and I also have achieved many ranks in Olympiads like Commerce Wizard and international ranks in International Company Secretary Olympiad. Yeah, that's my short brief. Thank you, everyone.
That's great, Moiz, and we are happy and proud that you are a PFCN and amazing achievement. Great going. We hope that you get some ranks at the P level too. Naman, can we have your brief introduction, Naman?
Hi everyone, my name is Naman Raj and I have completed my 12th from Delhi Public School, Udaipur. Basically, now I am pursuing from PFC education for ACCA and I love the sports and traveling from different places and activities. Like I'm just a national player from the athletics and 4 times athletics. Sports is very important thing and I also love traveling different places. Want to know about different cultures and all. Thank you.
Great, Naman. And also, Naman is an enthusiast, I must say. He's always very happy about the classes and always there on time. So your punctuality shows the interest you have in the classes, which is very good, commendable. Ayushi is there. Ayushi's mic is okay now. She messaged. So you can go ahead with your introduction, Ayushi.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for taking the time to meet me today. I'm Ayushi. I'm native to Wardha. I'm currently pursuing ACCA along with CA. I have completed my graduation this year only. Currently, I want to secure a job, and my long-term goal is gaining work as much as possible. I have to secure my job, particularly in the field of auditing and accounting. I'm self-motivated and I'm always keen to upskill myself by learning new things whenever I get the chance. I have I have done my articleship with Girish Bhaktiyar for a very short period of time where I learned many valuable things, but my focus was mostly on concurrent audit and filing GST returns. I believe in being realistic, and I mostly enjoy spending time with my books, mostly books only, listening to music. It was short intro about myself. Thank you and have a great day. It was If you have any specific questions, please ask. I will glad to answer that. Thank you.
Great, Ayushi. So that's great. And I really like the way you started and concluded the introduction. Very good. Amazing. Ayushi is a fighter. And again, we're really proud of her. She had some health issues during the exam, but she's back on track now with the full force and energy. So we wish you all the best for your forthcoming exam. And next, we have Nishtha. Nishtha, can we have your brief introduction, please?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nishtha Vaishnav. I'm an CA, CS, and ACCA student. Before joining ACCA, I was doing CA and CS simultaneously, but after failing for some times, and I have joined ACCA, and I have completed my all papers of ACCA still in one attempt, and I got second India rank and eighth world rank in FR December 2019. Thank you, everyone.
Great going, Nishtha, and I must say that we are happy and proud, and we have been giving examples to everybody around that, coming from an Hindi medium background is not an obstruction, because despite of that fact, first of all, we couldn't make out that you're from Hindi medium background because of the introduction you've given. At the same time, one more important thing is that you've set an example for so many students that, hurdles are there in your mind only. You can achieve ranks whenever you want. So great going, girl. Pankaj, we have Pankaj next. Pankaj, can we have your brief introduction?
Hello, good morning everyone, and good morning ma'am. I am Pankaj Kriplani and I am an ACCA student. I completed 2 papers, and the third one I am planning to give within a week. First of all, thank you ma'am for this session. This is very informative session. Even I don't know about many things which you know to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Pankaj. Pankaj, again, an enthusiastic soul, and like I'm so happy that I'm getting to informally interact with all of you today, because usually we are in sessions and we start the sessions and we finish the sessions. We don't get time to interact with everyone. But yes, we have like the jewels from the entire Rajasthan, entire country here with us. So happy and proud that you all are PFCNs. And Priyanka, we have Priyanka next. Priyanka, can we have your brief introduction, please? Priyanka?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you, Priyanka.
Hello. Hello.
Haji Priyanka.
Can you hear me?
Priyanka, you're audible. Yes, you're audible.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. I am CA Priyanka Jain. I have completed my CA in 2012. Since then, I am working in various fields like accounting, auditing, taxation, etc. Currently, I am pursuing another professional course like ACCA from PFC Education. So, I love traveling, and during auditing, working in the auditing field, I got the chance to travel many places like Mumbai, Gujarat, Rajasthan. So this is my brief introduction. Thank you so much.
Great, Priyanka, and we are so happy that people like you inspire everybody that there's no end to studies, and you can continue the studies forever. And I can see how much you're struggling with your job and everything, still managing ACCA studies. That's commendable. Great going, Priyanshi. We have Priyanshi next.
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Priyanshi Jain. Basically, I am a BCom second year student and currently pursuing ACCA from PFC Education. I am a self-motivated person and a happy-go person, and I love to motivate others and pass on good vibes to them. Thank you. That's a brief introduction of myself.
Thank you, Priyanshi. And Priyanshi, we refer her as Rajdhani Express, because I think last year she entered into the course and she's already at the P level. And we are very hopeful that she's going to break all the records and quickly finish the course. So great going, Priyanshi. Rishi, we have Rishi next. Rishi, can we have your brief introduction, please?
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone. My name is Rishi Chobisa and I'm doing BCom plus ACCA, and my hobbies are singing, playing badminton and cricket, and I'm good in sports. And right now I'm working on my own website also as a business marketing, and try to achieve my goals, and I'm learning and improving myself. That's it.
Great going,
Thank you.
Rishi. And Rishi is super talented. I mean, as he's already told you that he's working on his website. Very talented boy, and we're just hopeful that he'll finish his ACCA soon. Isn't it, Rishi? As soon as possible. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, let's come on to the next one in the list. Can we have your introduction, Rudraksh?
Good morning, everyone. I hope you have a nice weekend. My name is Rudraksh Jhala. I'm from St. Mary's Senior Secondary Convent School, and My hobbies are football, singing, trading, and coding languages. I have district gold medal in athletics. I'm 2 times junior quizmaster, and I have 2 national ranks in science and maths Olympiad. And I don't have as such fancy lines to say, but yeah, my goal of my life is to write history, to make history.
Great, Rudraksh, and never say that you don't have fancy lines to say. You are indeed very talented, and we're happy that you are pursuing ACC at such good speed. So that's good. Always in the interviews also just portray yourself to be confident about yourself, and you are in fact very talented. You should be happy about that. So Rudraksh is also earning simultaneously, and I think he's meeting out his own expenses since this age itself. So Rudraksh is working and right? Am I right? Rudraksh?
Yes, ma'am. Trading and video editing and trading.
Yeah, right. And so he's paying his own fees. He's not been asking for any money from his parents. So that's a big achievement. That's commendable, Rudraksh. So be happy and proud of yourself. Yeah. So next we have Sakshi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sakshi, can we have your brief introduction?
Hello everyone. Good morning. Myself Sakshi Kavra, and I am pursuing right now ACCA, and I have cleared 3 papers, and uh, and thank you.
Great, Sakshi. Great, commendable. And we know that you're going to pursue, you're going to finish all the other papers also with equivalently good speed. Sakshi again is an enthusiast and is pursuing 2 papers now for the skill level. And we hope that you are able to clear both the papers in March. All the best. And we have next Shivam. Shivam, can we have your brief introduction?
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Shivam Mishra. I belong to Bhilwara, Rajasthan. I complete my graduation and now I am pursuing SCCA. My hobby is cooking and dancing. Thank you.
Great, Shivam. And Shivam again was from science background first, and then he switched to commerce background, and he's doing very well even despite of the background change. So very good, Shivam. Great going. Next we have Shivansh. Shivansh, can we have your brief introduction, please? Shivansh, can you hear me? Can we have your brief introduction? Okay, Shweta, by the time Shweta, if you can hear me, can you unmute your mic and give us a brief introduction?
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Shweta Keswani. Currently, I'm pursuing ACC and I have completed my 12th from St. Anthony's. I like to interact with new people and learn from their experience. My short-term goals are to get a job in a reputed company and improve my skills to be professional. Thank you so much.
Great, amazing, Shweta. Very nice introduction, precise and crisp and clean, very good. And we hope that you finish your papers quickly, knowledge level. And yes, we are super excited that if the government allows, we all are going to meet up on 18th January and post that also. So let's hope. And yes, I can see a lot of confident people right here. We need to stay confident about the results equally well. Nishtha, I saw your message. You all are doing good, and I'm sure that you're gonna go to the right direction and achieve something great for yourself. Next, we have Saurabh. Saurabh, can we have your brief introduction, please?
Hello friends, I am Saurabh Jain and good morning to ma'am and my batchmates. I am pursuing my MBA right from Udaipur and I have completed my graduation from Udaipur and pursuing with FCC also, and I like to motivate my teammates and help to others, and I feel very good to work with others and also to help them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Saurabh. And Saurabh is indeed managing his MBA classes along with the ACCA course. And we hope that you give your exam pretty soon. And that reminds me, your pocket flashcard notes, we'll connect about it post the session. The next we have Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu, can we have your brief introduction, please?
Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Sudhanshu, we can hear you.
I am Sudhanshu Jain. I am 19-year-old. I am a SCCA student. I am doing my graduation in BCom and it's my second year. I love exploring new things and knowing about new things. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudhanshu. That was indeed a brief and nice introduction. Very good. Sudhanshu has just joined ACCA and he's doing quite well. So that's great, and we hope that you clear your paper very, very quickly and become an ACCA student. Tanvi, next we have Tanvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanvi, and I'm from Bhilwara, Rajasthan. I'm a BCom third year student from HR College, Mumbai. And simultaneously, I'm pursuing ACCA from PFC. I have been a basketball player as well as a handball player, so I have had quite a thing for sports. I also do some short writing, short story or poems. So I've been awarded for the same. I just want to say that, as ma'am has rightly said now, that hurdles are all in your mind. So I've had my own hurdles and I have overcome them. Thanks to Meenakshi ma'am for that. And so my competition is with me, and I think I'm going to clear my ACCA soon enough. Thank you.
Very good, Tanvi. Very nice introduction. And let me tell you something, that you have some very, very positive vibe about yourself. And I'm very, very happy about the fact that you're very happy, chirpy, and bubbly kind of a person. And maybe we're opening up this thing again, which we did last year, wherein the students will be taking the sessions now. And I'm looking forward to a session being conducted by you, because I'm sure the session is going to be very happy, chirpy, positive kind of a session. So yes, you will be first one in the league to conduct the session. Okay, so next one we have Vaibhav. Vaibhav, can we have your brief introduction, please? Vaibhav? Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Vaibhav Radhanpura. I am from the Rajkot, Gujarat. And I started my SCCA journey in September, and I completed 3 papers. And 4th paper I am planning to give in the February. And in between I also start the graduate in the MS University, Maharaja Sayaji Rao in Baroda. Thank you, ma'am.
Great, Vaibhav, great going, and we are sure and hopeful that you'll clear all the papers very quickly. All the best for that, and good going. Next, we have Vandana. Vandana, can we have your brief introduction?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vandana Dhanjani. I am a third year student of Bachelor in Management Studies and an ACCA student. I have completed my knowledge level and I'm preparing for a skill level. My hobbies are photography and video content creation, and I look forward to take great insights from this session. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone.
Great, Vandana, amazing introduction. And also let me tell you, Vandana is one of the students who has been always observing the post we've been sending. So app pe hum kai baar we send you the post that we have accounts master quiz, we have this quiz, and she registered for the OBU quiz, and she also bagged scholarship. So she bagged, I think, 50% scholarship from PFC Education. So guys, just keep an eye on whatever we send, the posts we send. Just don't ignore them and make the most of it. So congratulations, Vandana. We're proud of you that you've earned something for yourself at this such a small age.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next we have Vikram. Vikram, can we have a brief introduction, please?
Hello everyone, myself Vikram Paliwal. I am 18 years old and I have completed my 12th from St. Anthony's. I love playing cricket, and right now I am pursuing from ACCA and along with BCom. And in future, I want to see myself as a successful entrepreneur. Thank you.
Great, Vikram, and we are hopeful and we are very positive that you're gonna do wonders with your ACCA course, because we can see the dedication and the commitment level you have. So that's great. Okay, so we were planning to play this video by our little master. Let's see if we are able to hear the voice now. Let me know if you are able to hear the voice or not.
No, ma'am, voice is not audible.
Not audible. Okay, not audible at all. Let's see now. One second. Audible now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just share the link with you all. Maybe you guys can watch the video at your ease whenever you get time to. So because we are not, there's some problem with the video. It's audible to us, but I don't think so that you guys are able to hear it. So no problem. I'll just copy and paste the link in your comment section and you can watch it whenever you get time to. Also, we're about to, the ACCA results are about to be declared in the coming week. Okay, Komal is ready now. Komal, great, great. If you want to give your introduction. Yes, Komal, can we have your introduction, please? Komal, can we have your introduction? Yes.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. First of
Good
all,
morning.
thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of everyone. My name is Komal Prajapat, pursuing ACCA at PFC. I completed my graduation in 2020 from MLSU, and my strength is uh,
Komal, go ahead.
actually, ma'am, earphones is not working. My hello,
Yes, we can hear you.
ma'am, am I audible?
Yes,
Am I
yes, you're
audible?
audible. Yes.
Yeah, my name is Komal Prajapat, and I'm pursuing ACCA at PFC. I completed my graduation in 2020 from MLSU. My hobbies are dancing and listening songs. My strength is I don't compare myself with others because everybody have their own strength and weakness. My weakness is I trust on everyone, and I cannot say no to anyone for any work. And that's all about me. The one who always keeps me motivated in everything. That is only one person, who is Meenakshi ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. You always keeps me motivated. Thank you so much. And my goal is I want to work for girl child education, and that's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Komal. You this is Moise. Moise उल्टे सीधे messages डाल रहे हैं, and I think Moise, you have changed your name 3 times so that you are not required to give the introduction तक के alphabetical order में now. Kakashi say Akatsuki, I don't know what names. Okay, so Moise says you can write the paper on my behalf, whatever, Moise. Komal, we are super happy and proud that you're associated with PFC. Komal is again a person who started working simultaneously along with the studies so that she can sponsor her own studies. So I'm so happy about the fact that you guys at such a young age you realize the importance of being self-dependent, and I think probably that's the reason you've enrolled for a professional qualification. So great going, guys. As I say that I'm just happy and proud of each and every one of you. No, not Moise. Moise, we have 2 Moise here. One Moise is a naughty one, and the other Moise is like a meritorious category Moise one. Super. So we're not talking about you, Moise. We're talking about the junior Moise. So the junior Moise at Akatsuki, can you please give your introduction? Yes, of course, you are a merit holder, Moise. You are a merit holder in yourself. Don't, so I just was clarifying and differentiating. I do not mean anything like that. As I tell you all frequently, कि आपके marks कितने भी आए, I am your tutor and for me, you're like my babies, and I'll be always happy and proud of you. And even Moise has done considerably well, the junior Moise. He has been clearing papers at a good speed. थोड़ा बीच में सो गए थे. functions में, शादियों में, but he's back on track, so we are super happy about that. Moise, अपना introduction दे दो. Akatsuki, junior Moise, can we have your introduction?
Good morning, ma'am, and fellow PFCians. My name is Moise, and I'm a BCom graduate, currently pursuing ECCA from PFC Education. And as far as my personal interests are concerned, I was a hardcore gamer, but after ECCA, I got distracted from gaming, lol. And I also like to watch anime. So if anyone is into anime, please you can DM me anytime. Thank you.
I couldn't stop laughing, Moise. Matlab you got distracted from gaming due to ACCA. People say otherwise that gaming distracted me from ACCA, but you got distracted from gaming because of ACCA. So we are happy that ACCA is acting as a distraction for you, and we hope and pray that it acts as a distraction for everybody. So it is what it is. Okay, no problem. Finish your ACCA, then set up your own gaming room with very expensive PCs, gaming PCs and everything, because you'll be able to afford all of them then. So great going, guys. It was so interesting interacting with you all. And abhi hum will 2-3 announcements I have to make. First announcement is that we asked you to send your write-ups for the year calendar. We have shortlisted some write-ups, but there are so many students I know who are very good at writing. So we are basically planning a calendar like we did a journal last year. So we are planning a year calendar this year, जहाँ पे January, February हर महीने का एक write up होगा. And the idea of this calendar is Ray of Hope 2021. So if you're good at writing and you are interested, तो आप हर महीने के साथ there'll be a write up. Don't make it too big a write up. Just a page, A4 size का एक typed page, उससे ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं. If you are into poetry writing, if you are into story writing or an article writing, just the theme is Ray of Hope 2021. So try to base your article on or poetry or a story on that. And yes, just send it out quickly ताकि हम अपना year calendar launch कर सकें. Thank you everybody. And yes, one more important thing, results are in next week. I'm sure we're gonna celebrate and we're gonna have a party because there are 2 reasons. एक तो हम मिल भी सकते हैं because of 18th का ban open होना. There are some students who are not staying in Udaipur, who are in outskirts of Udaipur, would not want to travel in this situation. So don't about that. हमारी classes वैसे ही चलेंगी जैसे online चल रही. The only difference will be the students who can come over to PSC will come over with their laptops and sit in the classes in front of the tutor. That's the only difference that happen, right? So, and yes, for this month, we are also, result date is going to be around 16, 17, with next Monday, no? Next Monday को आता है ना result तो आपका 18th, yeah. So 18th is gonna be your result date. So all the best for that. Mega activity of January जो हम plan कर रहे हैं, so हमारे Saturday sessions चलेंगे. जो mega activity हमारी January की होगी, that is going to be Sitolia tournament. अगर again, as I said, conditions apply if we are allowed to have this. Last year we had it during the same time, similar time, January, February में किया था. तो वही activity हमारी होगी अगर possible हो पा रहा है तो, if we are able to go somewhere. And we will inform you in advance, so the people who are around the city, if you want to travel down for the activity, you can come and be a part of it. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Have a great weekend. आपके टेस्ट पेपर्स अपलोड हो चुके हैं रिस्पेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट्स के. जिनको टेस्ट पेपर्स नहीं नजर आ रहे हैं, अमित सर को कांटेक्ट करेंगे. प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू फिनिश योर टेस्ट पेपर्स फॉर सैटरडे, ताकि मंडे को आपके रिस्पेक्टिव टीचर्स उसको क्लास में डिस्कस कर सकें. नॉलेज लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स बकल अप यार, जल्दी करो, खत्म करो अपना एग्जाम, सो दैट वी कैन स्टार्ट विद द स्किल लेवल लॉ का बैच, राइट? So yes, thank you everybody, and thank you for being sporting enough to come up and give your introduction. I know it's tough to give an introduction in front of like some unknown people. Yasha, would you like to give your introduction? Gauri, Yasha, because you could not give your introduction, would you like to give your introduction? And अभी हम आपको बोलेंगे if you want to volunteer to conduct the next session, right? So the students who are willing to volunteer to conduct the next Saturday session, topic everything we'll give you, we'll help you with the preparation. But that ways वो जो आपका hitch है, जो आपका डर है वो निकल जाएगा public speaking का. Okay, so I have 2 volunteers already, Moiz and Nishtha. Okay, guys, so you both will conduct the next session, and we'll give you the topic and details of the topic, everything. That's all for today, guys. Take care. Have a great day. See you then. Bye. Yeah, Priyanshi also. Okay, okay. Let's coordinate something then. Priyanshi, Moiz, and Nishtha. Moiz Pro. Okay, done. That's all. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye. Junior Moiz. Junior Moiz. Yeah, Moiz Pro. Moiz saying refer me as Moiz Pro. Moiz Pro, Priyanshi, and Nishtha. Okay, so we'll coordinate the session for the next week. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye. Bye.